Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be trying out a viral brand that I've been seeing all over my Instagram feed. I have seen so many reels of people trying out Perfora's products and मैंने सोचा मैं भी try करूंगी. A fun fact that they were also featured on Shark Tank and they got deals from 3 sharks. The 3 sharks were Vinita, Namita and Piyush. So I am really keen on trying their products. I haven't tried them before. If you are interested, then please keep on watching. But if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then hi, my name is Rashi and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And now let's get started with today's video. So let me quickly tell you कि परफोरा एक्चुअली क्या प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं. They are mostly promoting oral hygiene. उनके पास इस वैरायटी के काफी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. They have toothpaste, they have flossers, they have chewing gums, they have electric toothbrushes, they have electric toothbrushes के brush heads and a lot of other stuff. I wanted to personally try out their toothpaste because मैं flosser and all बहुत ही regularly use नहीं करती. So I wanted कि मैं कुछ ऐसा try करूँ जो मैं normally भी करती हूँ and then I can, if I like, then I can incorporate them in my daily life. So I have got one electric toothbrush and quite a few toothpastes. Call me crazy, but I really wanted to try a lot of variants. So I got quite a few variants. Like there are a lot of variants. I feel like मेरा 1 साल का toothbrush का तो sorted है. So these are all the toothpaste that I got and I really wanted to give them a try. So let's begin, I guess. First of all, let's talk about this toothbrush that I got. This is an electric toothbrush. अभी भी मैं एक electric toothbrush ही use कर रही हूँ and I love electric toothbrush. They are so fun to use, first things first, and they clean the teeth. So this is what it looks like. First of all, इनकी packaging इतनी ज़्यादा classy है. You get this sort of packaging and when you open, you get the brush, you get the brush head, then you get the brush. यहाँ पे एक सेल आया था जो मैंने इसमें डाल दिया है. And you know the cutest thing that it has my name engraved on it. Let me just show you. Yeah, and here you have the brand name. How cute is this? And I got it in ruby red color. It also comes with a protectant cover because that is really important if you want to travel. We just have to attach the brush head like so and you get this button. मैंने already battery insert कर रखी है, so let me just quickly show you. Let's press the button. I hope you can hear the vibration. And it has 2 modes. One is of slight low intensity and the other one is of high intensity. So this is the brush. It is really sturdy and looks so cool. I love it. I can't wait to use this brush. And obviously I was ordering toothpaste, तो मुझे इनका toothbrush भी order करना ही था because फिर exactly पता चलता है कि क्या है, because if I'm using my toothbrush and their toothpaste doesn't make sense. So I got this one. First product that I got is this Perfora Activated Charcoal Teeth Whitening Toothpaste. I feel like 2 most important factors of oral health for me personally is your white teeth एंड अ गुड ब्रेथ. जो की फैक्टर है वो ये है कि इनके सारे टूथपेस्ट SLS फ्री हैं. एंड इफ यू डोंट नो, जो भी आप टूथपेस्ट यूज करते हो अच्छे से अच्छे ब्रांड का, उसमें SLS होता ही है. इफ यू डोंट नो, SLS स्टैंड्स फॉर सोडियम लॉरेल सल्फेट एंड आई पर्सनली यूज टू यूज अ लॉट ऑफ टूथपेस्ट जो मुझे बाद में पता चला कि उसमें SLS है. एंड SLS इज बेसिकली यूज्ड इन हाउस होल्ड इंग्रेडिएंट्स ताकि वो फोमी हो पाए. योर टूथपेस्ट फोम्स, सो इट कंटेन्स SLS. दिस इज देयर एक्टिवेटेड चारकोल टीथ व्हाइटनिंग टूथपेस्ट.
Here's me trying the activated charcoal teeth whitening toothpaste, and let me tell you, the minute I tried it, it was so minty and fresh. I was awake instantly and I could feel the taste of watermelons as well. So I really love this one.
I have never tried a black toothpaste, so this is fun to try, I guess. अगर आप परफोरा की वेबसाइट पे जाते हो, उसमें आपको एक ऑप्शन भी मिलता है कि शॉप बाय कंसर्न. तो आपका जो भी ओरल कंसर्न है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैव टीथ सेंसिटिविटी, इफ यू हैव बैड ब्रेथ, इफ यू हैव येलो टीथ, वो आपके कंसर्न के हिसाब से आपको सारे ओरल केयर प्रोडक्ट्स रिकमेंड करेंगे. दैट इज सो कूल. एंड ऑब्वियसली आपको तो पता ही होगा कि आपका कंसर्न क्या है. सो इट इज रियली ईजी, लाइक इट इज रियली यूजर फ्रेंडली, आई वुड से. दिस कंटेन्स वाटरमेलन, चारकोल एंड मिंट लीव्स. सो वाटरमेलन प्रिवेंट्स cavities, charcoal is obviously used for your teeth whitening, and mint leaves provide you with a zesty, fresh smell. Let's talk about pricing, obviously. So this retails for ₹179. Next I got is their Perfora Day Awake toothpaste. So इनके ना day और night versions भी है toothpaste में, which I feel is so unique and cool. and if you are fancy like that, you can just have your own day and night toothpaste. So this is their awake version. This contains lemon and mint, so if you are someone that enjoys lemon and mint, you can go for this one. This also contains green tea extracts, basil extracts, aloe vera. This retails for rupees 225. I feel like the next toothpaste is just made for me because it matches my outfit so perfectly, and it's a coincidence obviously. Next is the Perfora Dream White toothpaste, and this claims up to 3x whiter teeth. This has advanced teeth whitening formula and it also contains fresh mint. तो आपको white teeth के साथ साथ आपको freshness भी मिल रही है, so that is really great, and I love how quirky their packaging is. I can already figure out मुझे इसे ब्रश करने में बहुत मजा आने वाला because this smells so good. It smells so fresh, obviously as the name suggests. This one retails for rupees 239. The next toothpaste is Perfora Dream Protect toothpaste, which is specifically made for preventing bleeding gums. This is what it looks like. Comes in a beautiful orange packaging, and इसमें जो लिखा है वो तो आपको पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. So they have written that there is a bad blood between you and your gums, maybe because you brushed too hard or ripped open a beer bottle with your teeth or tried to look edgy with a toothpick in your mouth. We get it. How cute is that? I mean, the strategy that they have planted to build a connection with the audience is crazy. मतलब मुझे तो ऐसी चीजें पढ़ के बड़ा मजा आता है. अगर यहाँ पे बहुत ही scientific language में ingredients and all लिखे रहते हैं, I have no interest in reading it. But अगर कुछ ऐसी चीजें लिखी रहती है ना quirky सी, तो बहुत मजा आता है पढ़ के, and it feels like personal कि हाँ यार बात तो सही है. So I really enjoy such packaging. So this contains vitamin C and zinc sulfate, and it has advanced gum strengthening formula. So if you have bleeding gums, this claims to heal your bleeding gums in just 14 days. So if you are someone that faces bleeding gums, you need to try this. This retails for rupees 239. Next toothpaste is the Perfora Dream Relief toothpaste, and this helps in your instant relief from sensitivity. Now I am someone that faces sensitivity a lot. मतलब ऐसे मैं आगे वाले दांतों से आइसक्रीम नहीं खा सकती, मेरा दांत ऐसे झंझनाहट हो जाती है मुझे. I feel like this one is for me. मैं इसको ट्राई करूंगी. This contains aloe vera, peppermint, turmeric, clove, तो सारे अच्छे अच्छे ingredients हैं. This retails for rupees 239. Next one I got is the Perfora Aloe Neem Herbal Toothpaste. This helps with whitening your teeth and anti-cavity. So if you are someone that faces cavity, this one is for you. It contains clove extract, miswak extract, and all the good things. So this is what it looks like, such a pretty green color. This retails for rupees 199. Next is the packaging which I love. Obviously it's pink, and it is the Dream Sweet toothpaste which prevents dental cavities, and this has advanced diabetic friendly formula. So I feel like this is so great for people who are like having diabetes. ये specifically उनके लिए बनाया है. This has jamun extracts, mint extract. I mean 100 points I'm gonna give for how beautiful this looks. Just look at it. This is so cute. I would 100% use it for how pretty this looks. Also, all these toothpastes contain nano hydroxypeptide. This mineral is already present in your teeth, so that makes it the perfect ingredient for your toothpaste, and this ingredient is also recommended by dentists. I loved their idea. I loved the packaging. I loved how unique their items were and how they cater to every problem, and I would highly recommend you guys to check out Perfora's website. I have linked their website in the description box below. And with that, I will be finishing off this video. Let me know which Shark Tank product should I try next, so that it would be like a fun series that I can try on. But I really wanted to try Perfora, so that's what I did. Let me know मैं आगे आने वाले टाइम में कौन से Shark Tank के products review करूँ. I would love to do that for you guys. And with that, I'll be finishing off this video. If you enjoyed watching this, then give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, toodles.